If your channel has 10 subscribers,
You're already ahead of someone. Every big creator started small. They just didn't quit.
consistency compounds.
One video can change everything.
Show up even when it's hard.
Learn, improve, repeat.
Stay patient.
Stay disciplined.
Trust the process. Your time will come. If this helped you,
Like, share, and subscribe.
your journey matters.
Don't give up.
Subscribe to Olachi Zacks YouTube channel
Also like her videos.
and share with a friend.
Bye.
Okay, so to generate these AIs that you just saw, all you have to do is head over to your Google Chrome and search for this website, Google AI Studios. Alright, so when you search for it on your Google Chrome, just follow the exact steps that I'm using. If you are using a mobile phone, your tab, you can change it to incognito if you want. All right, so go over to here where you have imaging 4. Click on it. This is where we are going to generate an image that will later on turn to a video. Okay, so as you can see over here, I'm setting it to ratio because we are using it for our YouTube channel, right? So please don't forget to set your frame ratio so that it will fit into your YouTube channel frame. Okay, so over here I'm giving this AI this prompt. So I said an image of young successful Nigerian YouTube content creator in a podcast section. So this is the image that this AI generated for me. All you have to do is click on this arrow and save it to our photos. Make sure this is downloaded to your phone gallery. Okay, so over here I've already saved it. As you can see, it's saved to my file. So next up we are going to head over to ChatGPT because we are going to be giving ChatGPT the prompt. We'll tell it to generate a scene for us, a convo, a dialogue between these two content creators in a podcast session. So you give it time. Like I said over here, I said 5+ minute podcast. Right, when you've generated it, the next thing is to head over to this app called Grok. If you don't have it, go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Grok. When you are on Grok, all you have to do is click over here that says Imagine. So when you are on Imagine, come down and click over here where you have your photo library and the rest. Just click on photo library, then go import that image that was generated for us on Google AI Studio. So once you import it, you have to give it a prompt because it's the prompts that you give it will determine what the image is going to say as a video. So this Grok
Welcome back, guys. Today's episode is special.
Very special because this one is for you.
So
Please pause. Don't close this video yet.
Give it a prompt and it's saying the prompt that we gave it. Now for you to generate a video that is up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes plus, all you have to do is to repeat these steps. Just generate the image you want. If you want a consistent image according to my YouTube title and thumbnail, if you want to maintain a consistent image, make sure you are using the same image you downloaded. Don't go and choose another image. Maintain that one image that you got from your Google AI Studio. All you have to do is just to paste in your convo or your dialogue that you got from ChatGPT. Repeat these steps as many times as you want because this app called Grok generates videos 6 seconds maximum. So just know that you have to keep downloading videos like every 6 seconds. Once it's generated, you download that one to your gallery, then put in another prompt and download another one. So as you can see here, this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm here on my ChatGPT. I'll simply copy the dialogue between Ayo and Tomsi. Ayo is the guy and Tomsi is the lady. All I have to do is just copy those prompts from ChatGPT and paste it over here on my Grok and click on
We've
the
both
white
been exactly
arrow.
where you are.
0 views, 0 support.
People see success now,
They
but
didn't see the messy beginning.
So we have created our first scene. Now you have to delete this and go to ChatGPT and copy another scene or another dialogue and paste it over here. So this is what you will do. Like, these steps are very, very repetitive. This is all you have to keep doing until you exhaust the free limit that is given by Grok for you to generate a video, because for every single day you are going to be using Grok, you have a limit to use. Okay, so this is how we simply generate 5 minutes long form videos, 10 minutes long form videos. Now, a trick that I will give you guys, if you want to generate 10 minutes long form videos,
I posted videos nobody watched.
Same here, sometimes not even family clicked.
And that silence can mess with your head.
This app called Grok may give you a limit for a particular day. So if you know you want to upload this, maybe you want to create a content and you upload it, like let's say in the next 2 days, use today and tomorrow to generate more prompts. Then you edit them, use your editing software, whether it's your CapCut or whatsoever. Just put it all together in your app and add them together, and that is how you generate a 5 minutes long form video, a 10 minutes long form video. So over here, I'm simply going to show you how you do it. Head up to your CapCut, simply go to your gallery, import all these AI videos that you already generated from your phone gallery, import them into your CapCut and edit anything, like anywhere you need to cut out anything, maybe the AI misbehaved or something, it delayed in talk, just cut out the SSCs, trim it. You can also add transitions if you want. You will see it at the end of this video, the ones that I added transitions to. Just play around with it. Okay,
Welcome back, guys. Today's episode is special.
Very special, because this one is for you. Please pause, don't close this video yet.
We've both been exactly where you are.
0 views, 0 support.
People see success now, but
they didn't see the messy beginning.
I posted videos nobody watched.
Same here, sometimes not even family clicked.
And that silence can mess with your head. Did you ever feel like you were talking to yourself?
All the time, camera felt like my only friend.
And people around you didn't understand?
At all, they kept asking when I'd stop.
That pressure is heavy.
But quitting would have been heavier.
So what changed things for you?
I stopped chasing virality.
Interesting. What did you chase instead?
And one specific audience.
That's powerful.
What about you?
I focused on solving real problems. Let's talk strategy for real.
First,
titles and thumbnails matter.
If people don't click, nothing else counts. Second, your first seconds must hook.
Second, your first seconds must hook.
No long intro, no unnecessary.
Third,
consistency. Post even when you don't feel ready.
Many creators wait for perfect.
Perfect delays progress.
Your early videos won't be great.
And that's completely okay.
You're learning in public.
That's how growth happens.
Another mistake, ignoring analytics.
Your data tells you everything.
Watch time, retention, clicks.
Improve one thing per video.
That's how channels grow fast.
Not by guessing.
Let's be honest about money.
AdSense alone won't save you.
YouTube is leverage.
Brand deals, products, influence.
Community matters more than views.
Always build beyond the platform.
Creating from Nigeria isn't easy.
Internet, power, data costs.
But our stories are unique.
And the world is listening now.
Don't hide your originality.
That's your advantage.
If your channel has 10 subscribers,
you're already ahead of someone. Every big creator started small. They just didn't quit.
Consistency compounds.
One video can change everything.
Show up even when it's hard.
Learn, improve, repeat.
Stay patient.
Stay disciplined.
Trust the process. Your time will come. If this helped you,
like, share, and subscribe.
Your journey matters.
Don't give up.
Subscribe to Olachi Zacks YouTube channel.
Also like her videos.
And share with friends.
Bye.